especially for you where you're trying to stay within a certain geography. Once you build up your site, you know, so I would focus first on your site, but then if you're going to be using social media, of course, posting is great. Posting to Instagram and Facebook is fine. Your likelihood of being seen, not that much. But if you get active in different groups for cities and towns, like Swampscott, Marblehead, whatever it is, and you're going in, each of them has a Facebook group. Now, most of the time, the people in those Facebook groups are whacked out, right? It's mostly like they're complaining about something like this road was closed or this business. But if you can get in and start adding some value and think and respond to people, just get your name in front of people so that they're seeing you again and again. It's a game of visibility, right? And then you can start adding in, hey, you know, we just did this beautiful kitchen. Or if one of your clients is in that group, you could have them post the pictures and say, hey, I recommend Elvin for anything you're doing. He just built a beautiful kitchen that made my dreams come true. So use those, because we've actually did that with a handyman here in Manchester, New Hampshire, who's grown to be one of the most sought after handymen in the area because he started getting really active in social media once we built a page, and then he was posting photos before and afters again and again.
I like it.
Yeah.